Morning. So a month ago I broadcast kale seeds all over my yard, and I just found another use for kale, since I have kale everywhere. Check it out. All right. So I start off, this is a Chipotle salad dressing that I really like. I discovered it, I don't know, like a month ago. So love this stuff. And so what I do is I basically put a little dressing on a plate, and then I walk around the yard, pick kale, like so, and I just stack it on. Just walk around the yard, and it just tastes amazing. So, easy thing you can do once you broadcast kale seeds all over your yard, if you're wondering what to do with it all. I mean, I have collard greens. Collard greens taste pretty good with it, but it's coming up everywhere. And I don't mind because I've been eating it almost as fast as it's coming up. I think it's coming up a little bit faster than I can eat it, which is pretty cool. But easy way to have a healthy breakfast. And I really love this dressing. So another small thing I wanted to mention is sustainable harvesting. So when you're harvesting kale, you don't have to destroy the entire plant. You don't have to kill the plant. You don't have to ruin it. Sustainable harvesting, in my opinion, is when you harvest less than 30% or less than the total leaf mass of the plant. So for example, let's put my dressing down. I've been munching. So right here's a kale plant hiding by this water spinach plant, which you could also eat. So notice how this is a single plant that has, 8 leaves on it? So I would say probably don't pick more than 2 of those, maybe 3 would be okay. But any more than that, and you might, decrease the growth rate of the plant. And I usually try to avoid the apical ones. So like the smaller ones towards the middle, you would want to avoid, but the bigger ones towards the outside are older. And so you can pick those off anyway, because especially in Arizona, after a couple weeks, the plant will actually start allowing those leaves to die off. The chlorophyll just doesn't last that long. I think it starts breaking down. Anyway, the plant will actually sacrifice those off. So you can just pick them off to save the plant time. Outside ones. And then just leave the rest. And this will actually help the plant to grow faster as well. Like this type of pruning actually will force the plant to put out more apical meristems, more of the young, fresh leaves that people actually enjoy the most. Once you get a taste for kale, actually you end up liking them all. But I know when I first started eating kale, I'd always like the youngest succulent leaves. But once you get used to it, you won't mind it anymore. It's delicious stuff. So hope that helps you. Thanks for watching.